How we doing, folks? This is Jim, your product expert with Water Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video. Today we're going to talk about booster pumps and what they're used for. Another question we get pretty often, and how they're used and how they're set up and things like that, and why you want to install them. First and main thing you want to remember on a booster pump is that they're going to be used to boost your PSI or pressure only. It's not going to increase your flow or GPM. Gallons per minute or GPM is the amount of water coming through that pipe. Your pressure is the amount of force that's coming along with that water for the ride. So is it just squirting out of, or kind of peeing out of a pipe or whatever, or is it really shooting out of it with a lot of force? That's going to be the pressure part of it. The GPM, gallons per minute, is going to be how much volume of water is coming out of that pipe. So again, booster pumps can't make more water. They can make more pressure, they can make more PSI, but they can't make more water. They can't make GPM. So that's the first thing you need to understand with a booster pump. If you need to get increased GPM, the only way to do that is to really feed your water wherever you're getting your water source from. Feed that to maybe a cistern or some kind of a holding tank to hold a good volume of water. Calculate how much you're going to need per day or week or whatever it is. Calculate that and figure out what you're going to need. Get a tank to hold that water, and then from there, add in a shallow well pump or a booster pump or something to handle the flow and the pressure requirements you need. So that's the first thing. With booster pumps, again, sometimes you live out in the country, or you're somewhere in a big city, or you're at the end of the line where they deliver the water to. So your pressure is not going to be all that great. You lose pressure because sometimes too many faucets are running. You got a lot of people, kids in the house running the same faucets. Or again, you need to take water from a standing water source to feed something of whatever you got going. Those are all going to be valid cases to install a booster pump. You need to know what pressure you're starting off with. So what that pressure is coming from your city or whatever supply you're coming from. You know that pressure, and you need to know the GPM that's coming into that too, the volume of water, because these pumps are designed to handle sometimes a specific limit of GPM. So if you only need 10 or 12 GPM, there's a pump for that. If you need 20 or 30 GPM, there's going to be a different pump for that. The other thing to consider too is if you have fluctuations in pressure. Say you've got a lot of faucets going, a lot of kids running through the house and taking showers, and as those showers start popping on, you see drop of pressure. That may require something more like a constant pressure pump, which is down the bottom right pump. It's going to be a little bit more involved in a pump, a little bit more expensive because of what it can do and what the performance can achieve for you. But that might be what you need to be required for your application too. So hopefully that gives you a little basis on booster pumps and how they're used and why they're used. If you have any other questions or any other suggestions for Q&A videos, definitely give me a call, shoot me an email, check out our website, waterpumpsdirect.com, swing by our YouTube channel. And until next time, have a great day. Take care.